My beautiful friends, let's go again. Let's start by claiming today's reward, clicking on that, and then clicking on the claim button. And now let's go to the most important, which is this one right here. Clicking on that brings us here. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is to drag these avatars into these boxes. Okay, so follow me closely. So the first one is this one right here. We're going to drag it into the first box. So drag this one into the first box. The second is going to be this one right here. Drag it into the second box. Drag this into the second box. The next is going to be this one right here. Drag it into the third box. So drag this into the third box. And finally, this one right here, drag it into the fourth box. Drag this into the fourth box. Okay, so now let's see if we're correct. Click on the check button. And ladies and gentlemen, we're correct. Let's go.